My shoe is on, so why does it keep slipping? A foot inside a shoe does not always mean the shoe ready. Can you pass all 3 parts of the ready-to-go shoe test? First, open the strap and make a wide doorway for your foot. Slide your toes inside, then help your heel travel all the way to the back. Fasten the strap so the shoe feels secure but not squeezed. Remember, wide, back, snug. First, I open the strap wide. Then my toes slide into the doorway. Now I make the strap snug. Check the fit. Is your heel all the way back? The shoe is on, but it still has to pass the fit test. Finished. That was fast. Something feels bumpy, and my heel keeps lifting. Sit and look carefully. Sit, look carefully. Is every part of your foot inside the shoe? My heel is pressing on the back, and the tongue is folded underneath. You noticed 2 hidden problems. Fastening the strap cannot fix a shoe that was not opened properly. Reset from the beginning. Open it wide. Slide your toes inside. Now move your heel all the way back. Finish with a comfortable, snug strap. The bump is gone, and my heel is inside. Wide, back, snug. You fixed the hidden problem and repeated the whole skill correctly. Can your toes move comfortably? Yes. Do your heels stay inside the shoes? Yes. No slipping. The straps are flat and comfortably snug. Perfect. You're ready to go. Wide. My shoes tog onion scent. Because my heels are home and my straps snug. You did more than put on your shoes. You noticed a problem and fixed it yourself. That is real independence. First, open it wide. Does it feel comfy? Let's check the heel. My stay on because my heels are home and my straps are snug. You did more than put on your shoes. You noticed a problem and fixed your wide, back, snug. Open the settle the heel and check before you go. Step 1, open wide. Open wide? Wait, that feels funny. Check the heel back. Let's try again. Make sure the tongue is flat. Heel back. Practice wide back snug with a grown-up nearby. Grown-ups, choose another dressing so we can practice together. Subscribe for more real-life skills